How to delete a Facebook page. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open Facebook application in your mobile device. Once you open the Facebook app, you want to go ahead and log into your Facebook account. So once you're logged into your account, simply tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner. Inside the menu section, you want to go ahead and switch your account into your Facebook page. So go ahead and tap on this drop down, then select the page that you wish to delete. So once you switch to your Facebook page, go ahead and tap on the menu icon again. From here, tap on Settings icon. Inside Settings and Privacy, scroll below until you find Your Information section. Inside Your Information, go ahead and tap on Access and Control. And inside here, you want to go ahead and simply select Delete Page. Go ahead and tap on Continue. And simply you want to choose one of them and tell Facebook why you wish to delete this page. Once you do that, tap on Continue again. And from here, simply tap on Continue again. Now, in order to confirm deletion, you want to go ahead and enter the password. And just like so, after that, tap on Continue. And just like that, you will then be able to delete your Facebook account. That is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. And stay tuned until our next upload.